What is your responsibility when it comes to raising your rates? Are there reasons behind those numbers? Hey there, Kathy here, your online growth business mentor. It's another Mindset Monday where we get to talk about anything and everything about work-life integration and the mindset you need to accelerate your growth, progress, and income. Okay, so raising your rates isn't based on feelings nor intuition alone. Okay, sure, it may be correlated at some point, but one of those reasons why you should raise your rate, well, honey, it's just this. It'll change the way your clients show up for themselves, for their business, and the people that they serve. Having more skin in the game not only makes them committed, but it also makes them even more determined to move the needle exponentially. Remember, your desire is your destiny, and that commitment towards expansion will definitely make not just you, but also them serve their clients better and those surrounding them. Now, that stretch will make them focused and change the conversations they're having. So don't allow them nor you to stay comfortable. I remember when my badass 8-figure coaches asked me to raise my rates. I also had those tingly feelings and that mindset battle too. Honestly, it took me a while. I also had those thoughts. Will other people take me seriously? Am I really worth that much? Will I be able to give them the transformation that they need? I may have been earning, let's just say 6, 7 figures offline, but is it really the same online? So what I found to be true is this. When I invested more than $50,000 in a year on a coaching program, which what I did was everything that I learned, I invested back to my business and also my welfare, because I truly believe that once you get to support yourself and choose to be really, really supported, right, you will be able to get your groove moving almost instantaneously. So why am I not raising my rate? And it really got me really focused on what matters. None of those dilly-dally silly tactics. Now, does it sound a little irresponsible? Maybe, but it's an investment. It made me realize to focus more on impact, simplicity, and facts than feelings. So, if you're a coach or a consultant and you know you'll be able to guide your clients through 2x, 10x, or even more than the investments back, hey, and you've been contemplating how to make your clients take their business to the next level, okay, go ahead, raise your rates and watch how they'll expand, stretch, and make an impact for the world. All right. So my name is Kathy Pajarillo Berganda, your online growth business consultant for content creators and servant entrepreneurs. Together, let's build a better business and build an economy that's clear, transformative, progressive, and profitable. Also, don't forget to apply for your private training on how you'll be able to turn your network into paid high-ticket clients with a plan and get to know the faces of a profitable coaching and consulting business today. All you gotta do is click on the link below, above, or through the show notes. So I hope to see you on the next one. Until then, bye.